So today we're going to do a basic ballet bun for class or for performance. And the things you're going to need today are here a rubber band, a hairnet that matches their hair color. For long hair, like for Emmy's hair, you're going to use a 3-inch hairpin. If you have shorter hair, a 2-inch hairpin, and then you've got a bristle brush, a smooth brush, bottle of water, and then we've got your gel and hairspray. So what you want to start with is the ponytail. So we're going to take our rubber band, and I want you to wet the hair a little bit because it goes up a little easier when the hair is a little bit moist. It will be a lot smoother. So you'll put the ponytail in. I'm going to get all the little hairs in. And you want to have it just a little above the ears where the ponytail is going to go, so it's a mid-range bun. Smooth all underneath. Okay, and then we're going to put that rubber band in. If you want an extra tight bun, you can put another rubber band, but usually one is sufficient. Okay, then we're going to put a little more water, and then you're going to take your gel and you're just going to smooth over the hair and get all the little fine pieces, and underneath especially. And then I like to take the hairbrush and just smooth all of that back, and then you've got kind of a perfect smooth ponytail. For performance, you may want to use a little more gel to just really shellac it down. Then you're going to lightly twist the hair all the way to the bottom, and you're going to wrap it around itself to make kind of a cinnamon roll. And then I like to put one pin at the top of the hair just to kind of hold it in place for a minute. And then you're going to put your hairnet over that. And I usually wrap it 3 times. So now we've got the bun, and you're just going to take your 3-inch hairpins and you're going to pull up and over the rubber band and go underneath the rubber band. You're going to do that all the way around until it's secure. Just up and over. Usually takes between 8 and 10 pins typically. Then when you're done with that, you're going to just spray it and get all the little hairs down. And you are all done. And there's your finished ballet bun.